What's up?
I'm gonna go on as what is it? The Shamstoppers.
What's up, fellas? What's up, fellas? We're gonna start at 8:05. Yeah, what's up, fellas? What's up, man? What's up? What's up, Mark? MB, what's going down? How many we got? All the five get the likes up. Get the likes up. You know we're gonna start at 8:05. You know what I'm talking about? I'm trying to fix this. Let me see something. I'm trying to clear my let me see something, man. Awesome, I got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Now let me try to share it with y'all. Okay, cool. That's it. That's what we want right there. That's what we want right there. Let me see, can it move up and down? Can it move up and down?
Mm-hmm. Right, you should be able to move it up now.
No, it ain't moving up and down.
Let me see.
Wait a minute. Let's see
On
something.
the screen. Can I exit that screen?
Huh?
Can I exit that screen? You're sharing what?
No, I'm on the right thing. I'm sharing it right here.
Mm-hmm.
See, it's not gonna move up.
No, 'cause you gotta click on the screen. Go up and down. No?
No.
Try with the scroll. No.
Mm-mm. Ain't gonna do that.
Oh, okay. Go to what you're sharing. What is what you're sharing? Click on the tablet. No. Where is the actual window? That. There you go.
Hold on. Sorry, fellas. Let me pull it back up. Did it cut off?
No, we're still on.
What the fuck? Hold on, let me see something.
Mm, the version's not showing it.
Hold on. All right. Where's 8:05, fellas?
You go to to your screen.
Hold on, I got it. There it is.
Is it scrolling?
Come on, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Let's get started, fellas. Is it moving?
Open up. Go up and down.
I did. Yeah, I'm at your screen.
All right, there.
All right, fellas. We like to reserve our United States constitutional rights, freedom of speech, and everything that rises with that. You know what I mean? We're going to talk about the Louisiana loan application. Okay? It's like any other loan application. In every state that the bitch, mainly 90% of the time, she goes out and fills that shit in your name. Right? We're going to have some fun. We're going to read this. I'm going to break this shit down. Basic and simple. And then I'm going to tear up some ass. I got to tear some dude's ass up. He on YouTube handing out free old shit. You know, and still learning at the same time. He don't know what the fuck he doing. Okay. But anyway, this is for Louisiana. Child support is the obligation of a parent to provide emotional, financial, and medical support for the children, their child and children. This is what they offer: the parent locator, paternity establishment services, as well as assistance to establish and enforce child support orders and collection and distribution of child support payments. Okay. Locate non-custodial parents, establish paternity, establish child support, medical support, and spousal support. Okay. Collect and distribute payments. What's up, fellas? Distributing who payments? Huh? Who payments? Is Gary in here?
Gary, I don't see Gary here. Gary, if you're out there, man, show yourself.
Hey, man, hit the like button. I'm finna go hard. Who can get help? Who can get help?
Anyone can just go and apply. It says right there.
Any person or a person responsible for a child who needs our services. Now, you see how they pimp the child? Your children ain't going there and say, my daddy not taking care of me. I want to put him on child support. Do y'all know any children that done that shit in the history of niggerdom? Huh? Anyone who receives Family Independence Temporary Assistance Program, FITTAP, for tap.
Tap that fit.
For tapping that ass, you're going to get taxed, nigga.
Now you're going to get tapped. That one right.
Kinship Care Subsidy Program. You see benefits, application fee. Okay, this is your section for your 90% of your baby mamas out here. They be like, ooh, girl, you gonna get that support. You can make him go pay girl, child, and all that old bullshit. Look at that. How is the application fee paid? $25 fee may be paid by a cashier's check or money order. Right? 9 times out of 10, these bitches ain't got $25 in their bank account, let alone $5. You know what I mean? I'm gonna let Jose share a story when I get through breaking this application down. Okay? He gonna share his story. He gonna share his story, okay? For identification purposes, please include your name, address, and social security number on the payment instrument, and mail it to the address of the Louisiana Child Support office in your area, please note that an application cannot be processed until the application fee is received and postmarked within 30 days of submitting the application. Application fees are non-refundable. Y'all see this shit? Is help available if the other parent lives in a different state? Yes, child support enforcement works with all states of some foreign countries to help provide child support services. How does the program work? We already know how the program works. Motherfuckers get your social security number and shit. They get to working on your ass.
Oh shit.
You know what I mean? How are payments made? Support payments are made, distributed as follows. Currently, monthly support is paid to the family. Post-due support is paid to the family.
What family?
Past due support assigned to the state is paid. Hey, we're going to go off, man. Y'all better... How many people in the room?
Let me see. I think it's like 9 or 10. I hope it's 20. 11 in the room. 11 watching.
Good, 11. What's up, 11? Glad you here. Hit that like button if you're an agent in here. Hey, you better go learn a trade or something because it's not looking good for you.
And Shamstoppers gonna stop that sham.
Yeah.
Yeah, your sham is up. We are sharing all this shit. How many videos already, Shamstoppers?
Over 1,000.
I think it's almost 2,000, isn't it?
No, almost 1,000.
Okay, so there you go. Go learn the trade because you got a big library for Shamstoppers out there. And I don't know why half of these fellas still in child support. But anyways, continue, brother.
A check will be issued to you or the funds will be directly deposited into a checking, savings, or direct payment card account. Wow. So you mean to tell me, nigga, she put your social security number on there, that transmitting utility number, okay? They find out where your ass working at, and they start raping you and taking your little booty. I ain't talking about the booty you think I'm talking about, what doo-doo come out of. That's your buttocks. Booty means money. So they're taking your booty, your money. That's pirate talk because they're pirates. Okay? They taking all your booty, right? And they transfer your inheritance and your wealth into hers and to theirs, to the state. And then they make you believe it's their shit. And most of these ignorant niggas out here, assholes, out here saying it's my case. My child support case. Bitch ass nigga ain't your case. For the last fucking time.
Before I contacted Shamstoppers for the first time, there was a video that said how to get off child support. And that video, go back and watch it. Go back and watch Shamstoppers, how to get off child support, and they'll tell you, stop saying it's my case. If you didn't fill out that application, it's not yours.
Now, what's the saying we got? If you didn't fill out the application, it's not your what?
It's not your loan. It's not your case.
If you didn't fill out the application, it's not your obligation.
Correct. You're not obligated.
Do you see it right here, fellas? It says application of document for child support services. What services are you applying for? Look at this shit. They got child and medical support. Now, why these bitches can't breastfeed their fucking children?
Thank you.
Huh? Why they can't make him eat fruits and fucking vegetables? That's the motherfucking medical support. Okay? No, your baby mama want to feed these motherfuckers Hot Pockets.
Yeah.
Tostino's pizzas.
Get them microwavables.
Maria's, right. Maria's calendars. You know what I mean? Your baby mama got your children having a bad diet. Their teeth already starting to fall out when they come fucking in their mouth. Right? Look at this shit. Application information, god damn it. Look at all this shit. Look at this. Mother information. Look at this shit. Let me keep going.
Oh shit.
Hold up. Now check this out. I'm gonna stop right here. See, wait till you go to let me know when we get on I understand the following conditions. Your rights and responsibilities.
Oh, you gonna touch that?
Yeah.
The rights and responsibilities, you're dead, brother.
Okay, listen up, fellas. This is the main thing y'all need to pay attention to. Y'all need to go get this shit. Y'all can use this shit on their ass. You know what I mean? You go in there, hey man, bitch, I didn't sign this shit. Go get the information part where they sign it, and bam, you got them. You know what I mean? You ain't gotta go in there and say all that living man and all that old retarded
We'll
shit.
get to that later on.
Yeah.
Because I'm leaving. Are you leaving?
I'm living, goddamn it.
Man, I'm over here talking, speaking, all that. So I'm leaving. Are you alive?
I'm alive. I'm living, so ain't no dead motherfucker gonna tell me what to do. He had his chance. He dead and gone now. It's my turn. I'm living, motherfucker. You know what I mean? But anyway, child support enforcement has the authority to take whatever action is necessary to establish child. We already know that. Check this shit out. If I do not cooperate with child support enforcement, my case.
It doesn't say your case. It says whoever filled out that application. Whose case?
Her case, mainly 90% of the time.
My case. Whoever's filling out that application, that's their case.
Fellas, it's not your case. It's not your case. I want you to say this in your mind right now. Get it down, because I'm going to tell you something. Life and death lies in the power of the tongue. Whatever you say shall come to pass. So whatever comes out of your mouth, fellas, you just gave birth to it. It's flesh and it's done. You know when they said my word is born?
Yes.
Your word just been born when you said that was your case and you accepted the bullshit. Okay? It's not your case, it's her shit, because I'm gonna tell you somehow it's not your case. You didn't sign up for it. It's not yours. End of the fucking discussion. Okay.
It's not my case. It's not my case. It's not my case. It's not my case.
Yeah.
It is the bitch's case. It is the bitch's case. It is the bitch's case. It's her fucking case.
Exactly.
Grab it. Grab that piece of paper. Shove it down her throat and make her swallow it.
Yes. Yes.
Pay up your shit. Now leave me the fuck alone.
Now, check this out. Go to number 4, fellas. A $25 annual fee will be imposed in each case where an individual has never received FITAP assisting and from whom the state has collected at least $500 of support. She initial right there.
Wow.
Is this your initial right here? Check this. Look at number 5. This ought to piss you off. I understand that it is mandatory that all recipients of the child support payments receive payments of via direct deposit. Who got the card? Do you got the card? I'm tired of these pussy ass niggas on YouTube talking about fighting a dead entity and ain't saying nothing about this bitch got your wealth in her pocket. She calling you a whole ass nigga with her new nigga.
Oh,
let me tell you something.
Get it right.
Let me tell you something.
Man.
Let me tell you something. My brother-in-law right now told me this story. This what made me say, man, fuck paying child support, nigga. Your bitch ass can pay. He told me his baby mama got on the phone. I don't know if a bunch of y'all heard that. She got on the phone and said, nigga, hurry up and pay I need my money because I need to pay my nigga truck note. I need to pay my man's truck note.
No bitch ever tell me that.
Hey man,
I'm telling you, no girl ever. I'm telling you, no female ever had the ability to talk to me that way. I think they know what time it is with me, man.
Now let me finish, and we're gonna let you tell your story.
No, I can't tell the story.
Okay, check this out. Number 6, I must notify the child support enforcement services of any direct payments received from a non-custodial parent. I must also report if the children receiving services are no longer with me. The state and staff attorney, district attorney. Look at it, number 7, fellas. The state, staff attorney, district attorney, and other private contract attorney provide services pursuant to this application does not represent me in any actions that may occur. Represents only the state and the state's interest C, cannot give me legal advice. I must contact my own attorney or local legal services for legal advice. Okay, y'all see that? Huh?
What? So the state does not represent the baby mama or the babies?
So what that tell you?
Oh, so why the hell are they putting fraudulent paperwork saying on behalf of the children or in the interest of the children?
Let me tell y'all something,
Come
fellas.
on.
The Title 4D agency does not have no type of authority whatsoever, because I'm going to tell you why. Because if they had authority, number one, they wouldn't mail you paperwork in the mailbox.
They'll just come and take it.
Number two, they wouldn't ask you to come to court.
Hell no. They'll just come and take it.
Exactly. They'll come drag you out the house and take you to court, because child support is a victimless forgery crime that your baby mama pull on your motherfucking ass. Now check this out. Number 16. If I believe that I have been discriminated against before because of race, color, or national origin, it is my right to file a complaint either through my local Department of Children and Family Services, State Department, all that old bullshit, to the federal government. If I wish to file such complaint, I may secure the complaint form from my local child support enforcement office. Okay, number 17. Here we go, fellas. I have read the above, or it has been read to me. What that say right there? It has been read to me. The bitch can't read. Y'all getting put on child support by illiterate motherfuckers. Okay? And I certify that my answer to each question is true and correct. I understand that if I have given false information or answer to any material question herein, I may be subject to a criminal and civil prosecution for knowingly. Let me ask y'all something in the chat room.
Dude, can you?
Do you know what knowingly
that
means?
shit again, dude?
Okay, I may be subject.
No, before that, how does it start?
Okay, let me start over.
So
I have read the above.
Yeah.
Or it has been read to me. And they reading her bedtime story. Anyway, I certified that my answer to each question is true and correct. Okay. Huh?
And then?
True and correct. Okay. I understand.
You certified that all the info's right and correct. We'll
Yeah.
get to the info right now.
That if I have given false information or answer any material question herein, I may be subject to criminal and civil prosecution for knowingly. Fella, she know what she doing when she do this. Right here.
Right. She does know, because she has to give up all that info. Hey, so what's that stupid cuck that you were fucking? What's his social security number? What is his address? What is his phone number? When was the last time you had sex with him? Blah, 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 blah. All that shit. She got to go and give up all that.
This is the power right here. When I'm circling right here, this is the power right here. This is your power right here. This is your power right here. This is your power right here. This is a remedy right here, fellas. Look, witness. Look, witnesses. Look at that. People witnessing this shit. Look at that. She signs this. Look.
She gave up your information under witnesses, dude.
Under fucking witnesses, man. Dude, we have case law where it says again, the Title 4D agency has no authority, but you give them authority when you say, I don't know. I didn't know, when you start just signing your life away, right? You sign your life away while not even asking questions. Do I have to sign this? Well, I didn't know, but she knows. She knows.
She knows.
She knows, and you don't.
She knows the game, bro.
She knows, and you don't know. So you mean to tell me you don't know, but she knows? Huh?
Hey, to the 15 of you that are here, dude, we just gave you the remedy. If you're really willing to take this step, you're gonna win. Because half of the fools that call our phone numbers and ask, hey, and start telling us, and they start going about 4D agency and all that, we tell you who to go after. And we keep pointing it out. You're not going to get off child support until you assert this remedy right here that he just circled.
Look at that right there. That's how your madness starts. That's how the games begin. Right here. That's how the games begin. Because I'm gonna tell you something. If she ain't got no power of attorney over you, if you ain't got no written contract for her to speak on your behalf,
right,
to talk on your behalf, to do your financial accounting and bidding, to do your legal litigation, any of this shit, she is held liable.
Correct.
Go on tell your story, because I'm finna tab that living man shit. Go on tell me your story about the story.
About that information, dude. She's signing that deliberately, knowing that she knows the fucking game. Because she is trying to fuck you after you fucked her. All right? She said, hey, this shit ain't free. You get one, I'm going to get many for this one. Let me tell you something, fellas. You know how I know that she knows the game and she knows what the fuck she's signing on that piece of paper? I was fucking this old gal. This gal, she was an old gal, like a young girl, right? And she got a baby, and we're like, doing our deed, and it's like in the middle of the night. It's like, I want to say like around 2 8. It don't matter what time it is, man. All that matters, we're doing our dirty deed after, been talking, chatting it up for a while. And then, I have like an accident. Well, my dumbass not wrapping it up, so I wasn't fast enough to just say, hey, I'm not gonna make one go past the goalie. But yeah, a couple of them went past the goalie, while the rest of it just fell on the bed. If you know what I mean, I want to try to keep it as clean as possible. Dude, I wasn't able to pull out as fast as possible, all right? She felt that shit. This is what she says. Oh, dude, you nutted on me, man. I was like, what? She's like, you nutted on me. I'm gonna need your social security number just in case I need to put you in child support. Bro, this was in like 2012.
Did y'all hear that?
So what does that tell you right there? Then I come to Shamstoppers and I start listening to all this, and when he mentioned this shit right here, bitches know the game. They have known it for a while. Because that's their job, to manipulate you and to scam you out of your resources. If you can't protect them, they have to find a way to protect themselves by scamming you out of your resources and go buy protection, which is the fucking police.
Y'all hear that?
That with $28, they need those 20. Well, how much is it? 25 or 28? How much
25.
They need those $25 to go buy that protection.
Hey man, you heard what he just said. Now he nutted in her a little bit, right? Not all the way. And she already asking for the social security number, fellas. Huh?
60 of them.
Y'all hear that shit? Now let me go and tear up this motherfucking living man and getting your ass whooped by this child support dead entity shit. You know what I mean?
But remember, she's also a living woman, and she knows what the fuck she's doing.
Right.
So,
right. And that's what I'm gonna touch on. You got a living bitch that you done fuck, right? She take her living ass to the dead people, right?
To the dead entity.
With a dead sheet of paper, that's dead, money that's dead, for $25, right? And come put your living ass to tell you what to do, and you go, oh, I gotta pay child support. Man, y'all don't feel stupid yet? I just want to know, do y'all feel stupid yet? Y'all ain't mad? You ain't pissed? You ain't gotta go through this shit. Now check this out. You got this nigga on YouTube, got the picture of his baby. This dumbass nigga got a picture of his baby up on there. I guess some show, the E-Rose show.
E-Rose show, something like that.
Yeah, got a picture of his baby, talking about he had strokes and shit like that, and she took off with his baby. Let me tell y'all something, fellas.
Oh, man.
If you ain't got a bitch in your corner that's gonna kill, steal, and lie for you,
or cheat,
or cheat for you, then you ain't got no woman, nigga. But if you had a baby if you had a baby by a bitch that's gonna cheat, steal, and lie, do the opposite to you, and she take off with that baby, she just did your motherfucking ass a favor, player. She did you a favor. You know what I mean?
Because I'm gonna tell you something. Bitches, when they start getting these children, raising these children on their own, they're gonna see this shit is hard and they're gonna be like, fuck, what the fuck did I do? I had a dad, he could have watched the child when I went out and go do something. Right?
That's true, man.
The bitch so dirty, she thought about the money. Now he on YouTube talking about he going for a private investigator. Weak. This is some weak ass shit, nigga.
He's going for a private investigator? I didn't see that one.
Yeah, he talking about he got a private investigator for the baby mama chasing a hoe.
Why are you stalking some fucking used up cunt?
Showing weak and she sitting back laughing at him.
Of course. Look at this guy, man. He can't move past on. I already been branded by a bunch of fucking.
She getting fucked right now
yeah.
and sucking some dick right now as she or he listen to this podcast. Real talk. See, I'm a real nigga. My baby mamas might be sucking some dick right now too. I don't give a fuck. It ain't my dick.
Correct.
You know what I mean? Because they living.
Yeah.
Then they sucking living dick. You know what I mean? Pussy shit.
Dude,
and then you want to get over here and talk about Shamstoppers. You know what I mean? If you can't beat a goddamn ticket, man, get your motherfucking ass off of goddamn YouTube.
Right.
Trying all these fucking remedies. We already told y'all.
Trying all these things that they believe are remedies.
Yes.
They're not fucking remedies.
Dude, we told y'all a long time ago. This is what we told y'all. Start you a business. And if you get a job, you can use the EIN number, whatever. You ain't supposed to be using that Social Security number because Social Security is for Social Security people who want to retire. Okay?
You're already retired right now.
Exactly. Now I deal with a lot of people who not on the plantation. You know what I mean? Birds of a feather flock together.
Correct.
But you got all these people who want free shit. You got all them niggas flocking to free shit and still on child support and still fighting because for one, they keep saying it's their case. For number two, they talking about they living, but they letting a dead motherfucker control them.
Good.
You know what I mean? Ain't got no common sense whatsoever. You know what I mean? Scared to address me. Say what you gotta say. Don't say no slick shit. Hey, call the phone 512-663-3815. You know what I mean? I ain't finna have a stroke behind now, bitch. The only time I have a stroke when I'm stroking some pussy. That's the only time when I get a goddamn stroke in. You know what I'm talking about?
And no, I wouldn't be giving my Social Security number.
Hell no. That's that old feminist shit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Oh, he left and took my child. Good. Nigga, you supposed to be out here getting some money. That baby need to be breastfed.
Yeah.
You ain't got no milk in your man boobs.
Thank you.
Let the bitch take the child on. She abandoned you. You ain't abandoned her.
Right. Good riddance.
You got the advantage. But don't be talking no pussy shit to me. Because, nigga, I'm not the one. Real talk. Because ain't nobody going to pimp me and tell me I got to give them some money. Ain't nobody going to pimp me and tell me I got to go to court when I know I ain't did no type of harm. I didn't kill nobody. I didn't touch nobody. No, you're going to leave me the fuck alone.
Okay, what is the court for? Isn't that for, like, if you got something to answer to?
Right. Right.
So, what are you answering for? What are they asking you? Oh, they're asking you for money. You say, no, thank you. That's your answer.
Right.
God, man. How hard is that?
That living man shit. All these niggas out here living so much, but you let somebody with a dead entity with a name control what you doing. Told y'all, learn, go in these libraries and read. And I don't care control what you doing. You know what I mean? I don't care if nobody go back and tell what the fuck I said too. I don't give a fuck. You know what I mean? Because I ain't finna be, she left me. That's embarrassing, fellas. Don't get on YouTube talking about a woman left you and took your baby. Bitches love that.
Yeah.
Bitches is, that nigga a pussy. I want to get fucked by a baby. I want to get fucked by an alpha male who don't give a fuck. Who gonna put my head in the motherfucking pillow? Who gonna pull my hair? Who gonna slap me on my ass? Who gonna call me a bitch? All that. Fellas, women want that. They don't want no soft ass nigga.
Dude, I don't know, man. I do believe in the law of the universe. I just opened up this book and I read something.
Read it.
Okay, check this out, fellas. We've been talking about this all the time. The principle that all ordinary business contracts are assignable is subject to the exception that executory contracts for personal services or those involving a relationship of confidence are not assignable by one party unless the other consents thereto. I'll read that part again. Are not assignable by one party unless the other consents thereto or waives his right to object.
So break that down.
Break that down.
Yeah, break it down for him.
Oh shit, I closed the page. But hey, fellas, check this out. When did you get consent to her going and applying for your shit, for contracting with your shit? The same to go fill out that application and put your shit on that.
Exactly, fellas. What he's saying is you didn't tell him, hey man, I didn't authorize her to do that shit.
Exactly, that's another thing. So
I didn't authorize her to do nothing. Peace, brother. Peace. Peace. But like I was saying, fellas, don't get on YouTube crying behind no bitch. If the bitch ain't crying behind you, she already made up her mind. She had somebody in her ear. She getting fucked.
Mm-hmm.
Her homegirl in her ear, or well, whoever, she getting fucked. You know what I mean? She don't care about them children. Bringing other niggas around the children. Nigga, cut that shit off, nigga. Fight for your right to be left the fuck alone. That's what you need to be done.
Right.
You need to tell them, hey man, I don't want to be bored with that shit. We not married. You know what I mean? This ain't my wife.
We're not living together.
We not living together. Oh, let me tell y'all something. Hold up. I'm gonna hit y'all with something. Listen real good to everybody in this chat room. Check this out. Now I got some clients, right? They wife initiated the divorce, right? Okay, a marriage is a covenant, right?
Yes.
They said a covenant to death do us part, for rich or poor, and all that.
What's the covenant?
Thank you. Now
What's
check
covenant?
this out. If she breaks that covenant by filing divorce, you don't owe her a motherfucking thing.
She breached.
She breached the contract. So that's when your ass going in these divorce proceedings, and that's why they ask you to sign shit. If your ass don't sign shit, she don't get shit.
Thank you.
Remember that, fellas. She breached the contract of the marriage. See, God is helping y'all out, and you don't realize it because you want to be right. You want to let these so-called pussy-ass family lawyers trick you into saying, hey, you got to do this, you got to do that. No, bitch, if I got to do it, why you telling me and why you asking me? No, because your weasel ass want to get some money, bitch. You and this old dirty asshole. Because marriage is a wealth conveyance. It ain't nothing but transferring your wealth to this bitch. Okay? If she breached the contract, you have no obligation to her. So you mean to tell me if you break up with me, just like a boyfriend and girlfriend relationship. So if I break up with my girlfriend, she fucking another nigga. So I'm gonna go give her some money. We ain't together no more. Get the fuck out of here. That's what the fuck they doing. Common fucking sense. If that bitch leave you, if she leaves with those children, you don't need to be giving them a red fucking cent, a red dime, and don't feel bad about it because she don't feel bad and she don't have no shame. You can be locked up in jail, right? She up there riding the cock carousel,
Yes.
sucking dick. I don't see how y'all do it, players.
I won't.
I ain't giving my baby mamas and them shit, nigga, because I don't owe them a motherfucking thing, nigga. I owe my children something. You know what I mean? But that's gonna be between us and my children. No other third parties. And if somebody want to try to come take it, hey, be my guest. Be my guest. Be my motherfucking guest. You know what I'm talking about? Because I'm gonna tell y'all something. Keep hitting them like buttons, fellas.
Yeah.
We dropping this very simple knowledge. if the relationship is over, the financial part is over with it too. You know what I mean? The dead cannot control the living.
Just imagine if Jeff Bezos from Amazon knew this shit, dude.
Not just him. No.
Everybody else, Robin Williams will still be alive, and all these people, man.
We're gonna talk about Kevin Garnett.
Okay, let's do
Kevin Garnett, yes, brother. Kevin
Yes,
Garnett. Let me tell y'all what they doing out here for y'all. And I'm finna hit y'all with something. The agency's been rocking hard right now on y'all. Been sending y'all all type of paperwork. I know this shit. I know what's going on. They've been sending y'all all type of paperwork because they about to crack. These hoes is about to crack, and the agencies don't want to pay for these hoes. So they fucking with y'all. And they still trying to use Kevin Garnett and all these other superstars to get it in your head that you got to get this bitch some money. But you got to break that spell and say, no, she left me. She left here, right? So I don't owe nothing. She was somebody new, okay? So I'm going to let the state and her deal with that. So, fellas, this is the trickery that they playing on y'all right now, okay? They tricking y'all to believe, hey, Kevin Garnett got to do it. You got to do it.
Right. Kevin Garnett can do it all he wants. I don't have to do it. I'm not Kevin Garnett.
Exactly. You ain't Kevin Garnett, and I ain't either. I ain't that fucking stupid to give a bitch $100,000
A month, right?
a month.
What could I do with man? You give me $100,000 a day in about 2 months, that shit will be over $2 million.
Who the fuck did he have, baby Jesus? Shit, man, get the fuck out of here. I'm not giving no bitch $100,000 a month, even if I do got it.
Oh shit.
You know what I mean? That shit is absurd. I thought he was a G at first when he told the bitch no. See, we got a motherfucker keep coming in and out of the chat room, man.
Right. You got people coming in and out.
Peace to everybody in here. I'm gonna tell you something. All these undisguised, man. Peace to the guys that came in here and said something. The problem is, fellas, they want you to transfer your wealth. So when this shit come rocking down, they don't want people like Shamstoppers, this shit like Shamstoppers, making y'all aware of what y'all have. Okay? They don't want us to make y'all aware, start stacking up your chips, saving your chips, investing into yourself. You know what I mean? If you don't invest it with us, invest into yourself.
Correct, man.
You know what I mean? You got to do something, fellas. It's time to do something. You know what I mean? We got a brother we got to do some services for. You know what I mean? And we're going to keep it moving, man. But we telling y'all, this child support shit, they losing this fight.
And they're about to lose this fight with Shamstoppers. Shamstoppers about to rock it.
Think about this, fellas. I'm gonna put something in y'all brain. Think about this. Say you paid 18 years of child support, right? Say you paid $100,000 in child support. Now tell me in this comment section, what can you have used for that $100,000 from the 18 years? Huh? What can you have used for that?
18 years of 100,000, dude.
You could have set that up for your children.
That's $2 million, man.
You could have set up a trust. You could have invested into these big corporations, and y'all could have been well off. The problem why y'all on child support, a lot of y'all, is because you own this plantation still, and you using that social security number, that transmitting utility. And when you open up the floodgates to hell in your life. You can use that social for some good beneficial. It can be used bad. Okay. The social security number, that's how they tracking this child support shit. That's how they tracking it, because it's a trust account. Exactly. Generational wealth building.
Yeah, correct.
They use the woman to throw away your wealth, fellas. These bitches get all this money, ain't got shit to show for it. Like my mama, fellas. I'm gonna use an example. I watched my mama go through $75,000 in 4 months. Y'all hear me? I watched my mom go through $75,000 in 4 months and still asking for money.
You know what I mean? When you have that social security number, don't show it to nobody. It's gonna stick with you. You can get rid of it. You don't have to use it. You know what I mean? You can use it or you don't have to use it. You know what I mean? Me too, back in child support, me and 2 other siblings. Yeah, bro. This is about wealth. This is about transferring your wealth. The 2020 census is here, fellas. What are you gonna put on that 2020 census paperwork? Huh? These other assholes don't know what's going on. The army of free shit, these niggas that talk about Shamstoppers, they don't know what's going on. We do.
Oh yeah.
We know what's going on.
We know what's gonna happen.
It's gonna be a whole bunch of wealth being distributed. Okay? So if you've been digging around, playing around, it's like this. I'm gonna tell y'all something. I was the captain of the high school basketball team, right? I used to practice. But you know what? It was somebody out there practicing longer, harder, and better than me. And them dudes that win those championships, those basketball championships, they practice harder than any other high school basketball team that's out there. So whatever you doing behind the scenes of all this child support shit, it's gonna come out. Whatever you doing with your time right now, fellas, it's gonna come out. You hear me? The shit's gonna come out. Whatever you doing, fellas, it's gotta come out. That dead entity shit versus the living man shit, they know you fucking living, so that's why they fucking with you. Okay?
Right.
They want to see, are you alive in the brain? Are you woke? Okay? Do you know what wealth building is? Right? Do you know how to protect your assets? Right? Do you know about asset building? Right? No other niggas talk about this shit. Do you know how to start an asset company? Do you know how to move assets around?
That's very important.
Do you know how to take out things out of your name?
That's very important too.
And transfer them somewhere else? Huh?
Who else is talking about this out there, man?
This is some real shit. Time is winding down. Before you know it, we're going to be in December. Watch what I tell you. And then you're going to have the same niggas on YouTube. Oh, we don't shut down the agency. We're going to do this to the agency. Title 4D. These people are criminals. Well, guess what? They criminals, right? But they ain't getting locked up. They still walking around here having meetings about your ass, about how slow that y'all operate, how slow you move, how slow and how fast they can take your motherfucking cash from your ass. People who want free shit gonna have a bad time in life. And I'm gonna tell you something. This is a Muslim proverb. A man that put a woman over himself is cursed. If you putting a woman above you, you're cursed. Okay? You are cursed. If you ain't got a woman that's gonna lie, cheat, and steal for you, you ain't got shit. Real talk. You ain't got shit. So we gonna take calls, questions, whatever you want. I'm gonna respond to the comments. You know what I'm talking about? We got a lot of jealous motherfuckers out here that's laughful. And I really don't give a fuck. They won't debate me on no shit though. You know? So, hey, y'all got questions, hit us up. Let us know. 512-663-3815. Peace to all the brothers in here.
We got 23 people watching. 23 people watching. I'm sure you got questions. All right.
Nobody should be on child support watching Shamstoppers. We go to over 1,000 some videos. Over 1,000 some videos.
With a lot of answers.
Book. I put up books. Dude, we got more books. We got more shit. Gave you a beautiful remedy tonight.
What other channel out there tells you to go read a book to enlighten yourself?
No, ain't no other channel because them niggas can't read.
No, they want free shit. They're hoping for manna to fall from heaven. Guess what? I am heaven, and I make my own manna so I can eat. Go read a fucking book. That is my manna.
You know what I mean? We tell you that. If you don't want our services, go read a book, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm not hard up for shit. You know what I mean? Everything you want is at your hands. What about that ticket, that traffic ticket? What about that traffic ticket? That was my shit. That was a case against me.
Nobody asked about the traffic ticket?
No, ain't nobody did.
That's right. Nobody's asking about that. You know that last testimonial from Kansas? That's my shit.
Yeah.
You know, I went to the plantation for a little bit to test out, to see how slick they were gonna try to pull some slick bullshit, and they tried. But then they said, hell no, we're not fucking with this guy.
For real.
I'm serious. See, fellas, we're not just about trial and error. That's why we got expertise over here, because we make sure that everything we do is successful. It's not about like, well, we're trying or we're looking for a remedy or nothing. Remedies are out there, right? But we actually stick to the facts. It's like if you've been following Shamstoppers for quite a while, you should be able to tell what's going to happen next without a shadow of a doubt. If that's not happening, that's because you have not been paying attention. You're still in the old indoctrination and on the old mindset where it's either my case or I'm obligated to do something, because if I don't, they're gonna scare me and punk me and take all my shit. That kind of stuff. That mentality needs to go out the window. See, this is the thing about Shamstoppers. It's about promoting self-reliance and independence, right? But in order to be self-reliant, for instance, the farmer, before he can start his own farm, he's got to go work somewhere to try to collect some fucking money to buy some land of his own. So that way he's got to go plow some other land, right? And then learn the skill of farming himself. Then buy his own land, then get everything he needs to do to plow that fucking land and make it fertile. And then also to buy the seeds. Well, those seeds are the investment that he has made on his life. But you know what the actual investment was? Taking that first step and not making excuses.
Exactly. Fellas, let me give y'all another secret. You ready for this? JC was right. Let me tell y'all something. My attitude, I don't believe in losing in shit. I don't give a fuck if I'm playing your ass in checkers, fucking spades, anything. I'm out to win that shit. I don't give a fuck if we playing hopscotch, nigga. You hear me? A hula hooping. I'm here to win. I have a winning. I can't stand losing. I don't give a fuck who. I don't give a fuck if it's a public official or anything. I can't stand to lose. That's my pet peeve. I'm not gonna lose. I'm gonna win. I don't give a fuck how many fucking tries it takes. I'm gonna fucking win. I'm relentless. Okay? Consistency kills lackfulness.
Yes, that's correct.
If you get this attitude, you don't like losing, I ain't finna go for that. Watch how your life change. If you ain't gonna accept that shit, I can't accept that. Watch how your life change. When you start telling more people no, especially a dead entity, no, thank you, man. I don't know you. I ain't borrowed no money from you. You ain't, and it's arrears shit. Talking about you owe $80,000, $22,000 arrears. Arrears means loan.
Right.
Who loaned you that money? You know what I mean? No, I hear you, Patty. Either you have a fear of failure. No, I'm not gonna fail. I'm gonna keep going. That ain't Win, win, win. That's me. You know what I mean? I am not a loser. I am not a loser.
You know, let me tell you what. Let me tell you why I'd rather invest and donate to somebody that already got the answer of how to get rid of these fucking parasites off my back. Plain and simple. Because I don't have time to be going through this nonsense, man. I'd rather just, hey, here's a donation. Take care of this shit. I got more important things to focus on. I see, like, when is my next trip to the fucking Bahamas? And how am I going to get that fucking money for the trip to the Bahamas? And that's what you should be thinking about. Your trip to the Bahamas right now is getting these people off your back.
Fellas,
Dude.
fellas, do this for me this week. Visualize what you want to happen and act on it. Do the little things to act on it.
Right.
You know what I mean? I'm giving you some shit, man. I'm giving you some cold shit you should be paying for. But we got these complainers out here. Stay away from motherfuckers. Stay away from broke ass niggas with broke dreams.
Yes.
Stay away from people who ain't putting nothing in the pot. Stay away from people who, hey man, you want to go somewhere, who ain't gonna pitch in for gas.
Yes.
Who ain't gonna buy the food. You know what I mean? If you doing, look, it's like the relationship between you and the bitch. If you doing all the doing and she not providing, she not bringing no money to the table, man, you fucked, dog.
Right.
You in for a rude awakening. Hey, go to that bitch channel named Shira7, Shira17. Go to that bitch channel. She talking about she wrote a book talking about she the table. You know what I mean? All right. Killer Clan. You know what I mean?
The Shira 7 though, I'm gonna agree to one thing. And she's right. Don't be a dusty. And you know why I agree with her? Because if you're not dusty and you take action upon yourself, half of these bitches are gonna come begging for your money. You're gonna say, no, I don't want you. I don't want to be around you. I got all this stuff. What are you bringing to the table, you dusty bitch?
I read the book, A Bitch in the House, where it says it ain't about how you dick a bitch down. Remember that, fellas? It ain't good how you dick a bitch down. It's how you provide money for the bitch. She wants security and safety. She want to be comfortable with your money, nigga. And if you got a bitch like that in your corner, you don't need her.
No,
because I'm gonna tell you something. That should take you to your grave, fellas. Because I'm gonna tell you something. When it's all said and done, when you look back, when you old, you're gonna be pissed off. And if you want being selfish to yourself, y'all niggas gotta be selfish. Start being fucking selfish. Tell a bitch, nah, bitch, you gonna pay the goddamn bill.
Look, man, when they invite me out, like we're going somewhere, right? Like they would even grab a fucking cup of tea, dude. Because now bitches are about like the tea this, tea that, and that's fine. I like tea, believe me. Tea is good for you. So, anyways, like, are we splitting? I'll be paying my own shit. You know why? Because I'm testing them to see what they are bringing to the table. Man, right. In the Quran, a fucking marriage, it's a contract between two people who are free to make their own decisions. All right? So that means that everything is transactional. Well, when you got it through the state, you ain't got no power to make shit because you married to these greedy motherfuckers. So, fellas, if you gonna get married to a bitch, you do the shit privately. Right. Once you do it privately, you see how your power remains, dude. There's no such thing as going through these headaches, man. And let me tell y'all something. You ready for this one? Y'all get what y'all want. Right. Get what you want. If you putting a bitch on a pedestal, you're going to be cursed for the rest of your life. Y'all better stop that foolishness. You know what I mean? I went to church. Let me hit y'all with some game. I went to church, nigga. My mama brought me up in the church. We used to go to church Sunday, revival, all that shit. You know what this crazy wench used to do? Bring in all the goddamn money and put it in the collection plate when the nigga used to be hungry, giving it to that man up there. Hey, because he's seeing himself as fucking God. And that's where you need to see yourself, these motherfucking preachers. Young Hog, I have a question. God damn it. Because I want to see how people do this, though. I'm being kind of curious. How do people remove judges off your case?
I mean, did you start the case or what happened? I mean, you're welcome to call in, bro. It's like 512-663-3815 because we're kind of pointing out this.
He said he got to clear the arrears now.
What?
He got to clear the arrears now.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. But we just gave him the game about what arrears mean, man.
Yeah, arrears is the loan, bro. That shit ain't yours. You don't have to clear nothing. You know what I mean? Like I said, fellas.
512-663-3815, fellas. Come on, you have questions. Obviously, by the comments I'm reading, you have questions.
Like I said, fellas. You provide protection. A woman wants to be secure. She want to feel safe behind a strong man. She don't give a fuck about. She give a everybody nigga spending. Yeah, don't spend so much though. You know what I mean? You reward a bitch how she act.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, just start over, New Life Entertainment. We been going hard all day, man. We about to sign off. It's 9:01. Fellas, it's been good. We're gonna go off this week. We gonna give y'all some game about the obligor this week, fellas. We gonna go off on the obligor. I got some cold shit coming out this book about the obligor this week. Put us down for Wednesday. Have you ever pimped on women before? You goddamn right I pimped on a bitch before. You goddamn right.
Every time.
Every time. You know what I mean? I used to have my last baby. I used to have bitches giving me their whole paycheck. My cousin taught me this shit. You know what I mean? My cousin, I was 12 years old. He used to teach me how to play basketball. And he used to go he went to 3 bitches' houses and he picked up their whole paycheck. And that nigga today, my hero. MJ ain't my hero. That nigga today is my hero right now. I had bitches from Fort Worth mailing me $250, polo boots, all that shit. You know what I mean? All you gotta do is ask. That's all you gotta do is ask. You have not, because you ask not.
Yes, correct.
Remember that. A woman gonna finance an alpha male. She gonna make fun and take advantage of a beta male. Remember that. We just gave you the game. A woman will finance an alpha male. She will pay for your protection, but she gonna shit on a beta male through the court system, nigga. Remember that. So look, y'all need to be mean. Mean people live the longest.
Yes.
Nice people go to the grave faster. Because nice guys finish last. Nice means stupid and foolish in French and in English and in Latino. You know what I mean? Well, fellas, we're going to sign off. We're going to come back with some data shit this week. Hey, hit us up. Peace.